Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Yaka online portal jang kami Galaya Residential Safety and Security Acts MRSSA manpen rungker tengno ya baro ki trying bat ki breu ba shongwai hapo gajela lapalai pat ba documentary rang ba gajela Conrad Sangma hene kasngi palai hapo yo jona bhawan yaka ni ka online portal instang pentrikam shuwa haki nyotli ki kento jong kanong ba shillong ki ba kenthop yaka nong Rim Hills La Palang nong Mensong nong Ra Pokse Riat Laban bat wa dingling hakte ka jingyalang umentrang ba ga jela kum ukongsan ulaya thu ba ka jingpen trekam ya kani ka core digital kanyarap om tang ben pentikna ya ka jing shong shingan chong baro kinong shong shnong henry kan longru kum kalat sentiat ya kibreu de ki bor sarkar ki ban page perman bat ban le ai kat kum ki jingtep balalum da kani ka core online ka jingtmu chong kani ka longru ban khanglat ya ki riu king atyar bat ki Lehnoh bakin omla ban penlong jakar ritingen hapo kanong ba shillong lengba kani ka portal la aru ban pen shisha batte kendon ye kinong shongwai ki ba shongwai hakiying hapo ka jela hakani ka jing palai pat ba ya ka web portal jongka MRSSA laya don lang ru UMLA ka mosin ram uba HM Shangplyang Chief Secretary ka jela uba DP Walang DGP u Dr. LR Bisnoy ka DC is Kasil District kong Isawanda Lalu SIO ka NIC ba Timothy Dikar bat kiway de.
This has been something that has been pending for quite some time. We had a lot of challenges while we tried to move forward in this. Apart from many others, COVID was a major challenge which had a kind of impact which slowed down almost every aspect of governance. And this aspect of working closely with the different localities and headmen was majorly impacted because of that. But nonetheless, because of the continuous hard work and dedication shown by all the officials, we are all here today finally launching this particular app and website. And this is a very important beginning. Apart from the fact that we will be focusing on the safety and security of the people who are residing in different localities, this also acts as a very strong intelligence system for us to know exactly who is where, in which locality, and allows us to be able to accordingly monitor and act based on this intelligence input. And obviously, as I said, this kind of exercise is something that is going to really help us not just in terms of the safety and security and be able to know who are the people who are staying in different localities, and especially people who are coming in from outside and residing there. But more so it will help us to digitize things and even help us to monitor the different services, the schemes and the programs that the government implements, and we'll be able to do it in a much better manner. So that's the ultimate goal, and we feel that of course it's going to take a lot of time. I don't expect that we will be able to achieve everything in a matter of days or months, but it's a process that will move forward. And as everybody has mentioned today, that we will have teething problems. So it's not that the system is going to be perfect. We'll have to keep improving it, and we'll have to make it more user-friendly, and it will require a lot of training to be given to the different localities. It may require some infrastructures to be created, some support to be given to the localities.
We just could not detect who are the tenants, who are the landlords, who are the people living there, whether they are temporary, whether they are permanent. Nobody could give a complete answer.
This is a very important occasion today, where everything, because safety is very important for each one of us. And to have a safety, we have to have security. And I'm sure that when we are a safety security app, will be one of the ways to ensure our security.